Hey there. In the next couple of weeks, I really want to get back into putting out more of these YouTube videos. But before I did, I wanted to make sure I got my audio squared away. My last couple of videos, I've been recording with the GoPro and in various situations, and it wasn't working out all that well. So I have a couple of different scenarios that I want to compare, and I thought I'd show you what I came up with. So I have one of these Zoom H1 voice recorders. You can just aim at whoever's talking or whatever you're trying to record, and it works pretty well. So that's just using that by itself is one of the things I'll test. Next is this Rode micro video mic. Works pretty well, just sits on the hot shoe of a camera or a tripod. And third is a lapel mic. Both the Rode mic and the lapel mic would just be plugged into the Zoom H1 voice recorder. And finally, just the GoPro by itself in a mount that I would usually use to have it on a tripod. To make my test super even between the different setups, I recorded some audio on my phone, had it on my computer, playing it through my computer speakers, had each of the microphones sitting on a small tripod about a foot away from the speakers. So it wasn't me saying the same words over and over. It was actually the same exact recording, so I could get a really good, consistent baseline. I'm sure the audio quality wasn't perfect coming out of the computer, but that doesn't matter. I was just really just trying to compare, not get an absolute value for how great the audio was. So with that said, let's get right into the audio comparisons.
Audio quality test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio quality test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio quality test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio quality test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And one more time.
Audio quality test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio quality test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio quality test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio quality test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So it's pretty clear that anything plugged into the Zoom mic was pretty good, and the GoPro by itself is not going to cut it. So what I wanted to do was try to figure out which one of the three setups was best, the lapel mic, the Rode mic, or just the Zoom by itself. So what I did was take silent segments of the audio from each of those tests, boosted the gain on them to amplify any little noise that there was, and this is what I found. So after that, I think it's pretty obvious that the GoPro comes in last, followed by the lapel mic, the Zoom audio recorder by itself, and in first place comes the Rode Video Micro. So I think I'll use this one when I can, but depending on the circumstances, the lapel mic or the Zoom by itself might make more sense, just definitely not the GoPro. So I hope that helps somebody out there looking to make some videos in the future, and hopefully I'll be having some new ones for you here soon. Talk to you later.